Here we are at the parking lot for Algodones Mexico. We're on the American side still. And we're going to walk up here and walk across the border into Mexico today. This is what the parking lot looks like. Quite full today. It's a Wednesday and it's about 9:40 in the morning. Well, we are almost to the border, so we can see the border wall here as we come in. That's the new border wall. There's old border wall over there. Here's the entrance. Just walk across into Mexico. Well, here we are. The first thing you come to is bathrooms. You can use bathrooms here.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La, 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 la casa del merengue. La, 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 y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música, 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 música de la República. ¡Ajá!
So here we are in Algodones, Mexico. Walking around, doing a little shopping. Got myself a little travel bag. It says no bad days, Algodones. Yeah, kind of cool. It's kind of fun walking around down here.